Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Can We Fix It? And this week we are going to tackle cleaning the dryer vent. And as always guys, safety first. Get your safety gear out, make sure your dryer's off, all that good stuff. Don't hurt yourself doing this. Just be safe. I rarely will ever tell you to go out and buy stuff, guys. But this is one of those occasions where it's probably much easier if you go out and buy something. I bought this dryer cleaning kit that has some poles that screw together and this brush that goes on the end so you can really get in there and twist out and clean out your dryer vent. I do this a couple times a year at a minimum. I can usually tell when the dryer stops working efficiently when I need to do it. But it's a fire hazard. It's very important to do it. So be safe, get in there, clean your dryer vents out. Okay guys, you're going to start by screwing on your brush on the end of your poles. And now your dryer vent, everybody's dryer vent is probably different, but mine is really short, so I'm going to go in from the outside, push the brush in, give it some spins, pull it back out, and see what kind of lint I can get out of it. Now if your dryer vent's longer, you may need to hit it from both sides, from inside and from outside. Again, mine's short, so I'm going to do mine from the outside so you can see what it's like. Just follow the same process on the inside and try to get the full length of your dryer vent clean. On to the dryer vent. Okay guys, sorry for the extra noise, but I'm back here by my dryer vent and the air conditioner is close by. Look at that mess. I think it's time we get that cleaned up. Okay guys, we're going to start by trying to get the edge cleaned off by just moving the brush around here. Yeah, it catches fire really easy. That's why you want to make sure you keep this clean. Don't want your house catching on fire, so safety first. Okay guys, that does it for this week's Can We Fix It? Don't be a victim of house fire. Keep your dryer vent clean. It's good practice. If you want to know where you can get one of these, I'll put a link in the description. Tell you a little bit about how I got mine, so take a look down there. Thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Comment, like, subscribe, share it. If you know somebody that needs this information, send it to them. I appreciate it. Help the channel grow.